Hello, myself Prime Mohan Pillai. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest IT related video. And I just put my product key for the Exchange Server 2010. And if you have one, just put that down. And after that, you will get an completed message. Just press enter, and now there is no product key available here, and it is completed. Okay, now there will be no problem if you will restart the Exchange server. You will get no error messages. I will show you. I'm just closing this and I will now restart this. Now there is no error messages or no activation messages or something. Now you can use Exchange server freely. Thank you for watching, and please press bell icon, and in my next video I will tell you how to add users in the mailbox, and also I will tell you how to create hub transport rules. Thank you very much for watching.